Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're in a little bit of a different spot, still in Mogareka, but we're just pretty much trying to stay out of the wind. And the tide right now is just changed, it's coming back in. It is a low tide, and we're using different baits today that we haven't really used. I've never used this one, it's beach worms, and we'll be using salted whitebait as well, which I haven't used very much really either. But if we don't have any luck here, we'll make a move to the wharf just to catch something really. Break our dry spell. We haven't really caught much lately. Beach worm, how was you getting? Cast. Beautiful. I've used whitebait before as a bait, but not salted whitebait, but it would be, I'm guessing it'll be a lot better as whitebait is horrible to keep on your hook. Super soft. I'll cast that way, I'll cast this way. The other day I went Merimbula fishing and it was very annoying. I was fishing while Georgia had an appointment to go to, and I decided to go fish from Merimbula, and you could see a school of squid. I was chucking squid jigs at them and everything, and they just were not having a bar of me. I'll put the video up now just to show you. They like the big bass. Look at that leader. The leader can hear it insane as well. Yeah, mate. Be annoying enough. Yeah. Oh, that just came out of nowhere. We're just sitting there minding our business. Sooking about the wind. I don't think I turned my head camera on. And then it's come and grabbed it.
That was a big bite. It pulled the rod.
I had to chase it down the hill. Oh, action! We're breaking out.
Our dry spell. Yes.
This is Rod's first fish. Oh, well, it's had some little rally, but this feels like a, I don't know, shaking its head like a flat, but
oh, look at it jump.
it's a bloody tail. I don't know.
Oh, he's over here now.
So this is one up for the whitebait.
Gets your adrenaline pumping, doesn't it? I was just like, yeah, I'm keen to catch fish.
Salmon.
Oh, alright.
So there you go.
That's a nice size salmon too.
Yeah, especially from Mogareka. Righto. I'll get this hook out of it and we'll show you it. Righto, first fish we can say. Nice Australian salmon. That's a very healthy bloke. And yeah, it's weird. I haven't caught one on this side of on the flats before, but I'm not going to complain. It's a fish. So yeah, we'll send him back now, and beautiful. We broke our dry spell, guys. Yoo! Okay guys, we thought that fish would have been nice, but must have got him in the gills a little bit too much, so we'll put him out of his misery and take him home. That's one up for the whitebait. And yeah, we'll check out another one. George just checked her line. Not touched yet. Whoop. Okay. No, you won't. So, George is informing me if I catch another fish on the whitebait before she gets a bite on the worms, she's going to change teams. Hopefully we can get the buddy. Watch, get the bite. Yeah. Well, it would have been good when we were catching the whiting. And if you guys want to see that video, I'll leave it in the card on top. You can go click it if you want to watch Georgia catch her first ever whiting. So we were thinking these were bites, but it's just the wind pushing our lines. Oh. So guys, now our adrenaline's up. We're ready to sit here for the next 6 hours. Ready to catch some fish. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh, I know we're catching. I caught a salmon, but I hope he comes grabs one in front of us. That was very cool to see. We actually one of our first ever real videos. Oh no, it was actually an actual video. I'm pretty sure. We have a eagle. He grabbed a mullet in front of us, and he was sitting on the bank eating the mullet in front of us. Yep, one of the first things. Quick day out fishing in the boat. So if you want to see an eagle eating a fish in front of us, I'll leave a little link. I'm very happy that we have finally caught a fish. It has been a long while. But yeah, we probably will sit here for another half hour. If we don't have any much luck, we'll just go to the wharf, see if we have much luck there. Because I've broken my streak, but George just hasn't broken hers. George's going to swap teams to see if it's just the red worm or just her luck.
Like, as if you wouldn't want to eat a bit of that.
Eat it then. You didn't eat it.
No. Maybe put both of them.
I'll put this fish over here. See if the eagles want to have it. Just a bloke walks out of the bushes. Cheers, mate. So we're going to deal with? That's the wind pushing our line. Like, oh, look, here he comes. It's actually pretty cool. Queensland, at the crocodile farm, we watched someone feed some wild white eagles off the front of the crocodile farm and crocodile boat. If we can find the video, we might even play a small clip of it. Yeah, it was so quick, but because it was circling, because it knew it was going to get fed and come down and just took it. And yeah, if we find the clip, we'll put it in. If we don't find it, sorry.
Here we go, guys.
Yeah, so we'll stay for another 5 minutes or so, and then if no bites or anything, we'll just go to the wharf and try and catch something. And I'll show you if there's anything interesting between now and then. Ooh. big yakka.
Oh, big yakka.
Oh no, it's a slimy.